Welcome to this 5-minute meditation for beginners. Make yourself comfortable and preferably sitting down on a chair or cross-legged. And make sure that your spine is nicely aligned, having your pelvis, your abdomen, your heart and your head in one line. Gently tuck your chin in. Relax the muscles of your face. Relax your shoulders down towards the ground. Close your eyes, or if you prefer, keep a soft gaze and look at a fixed point in front of you. And start by taking a deep breath in through the nose and deep exhale through the mouth. One more time. Deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Come back to your natural breathing and simply observe your breath. Come back to your natural breathing and try to adopt an attitude of kindness and compassion for yourself while meditating. Congratulating yourself for trying and showing up today. Observe your breath. Notice the inhalation. Notice the exhalation. And perhaps you can feel the movements of your breath. Your belly and your chest slightly rising when you breathe in. And your chest and belly slightly falling when you're breathing out. Connecting to your breath. Using your breath as the anchor for this meditation practice. Using your breath as the focus point of your practice. And if focusing on the breath is a bit challenging, you also have the possibility to count your breath. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. Breathing, maybe counting, and staying present to yourself and the present moment. If thoughts distract you too much, that's totally okay. The goal of meditation is not to stop thoughts. The goal of meditation is to slow down the mental activity. So be kind with yourself when you find yourself being away from your breath. Gently notice. Congratulate yourself for having noticed. And come back to your breath. Come back to your anchor. You've now been meditating for 5 minutes. Well done. Congratulations. When you are ready in your own time, you can gently open your eyes and come back to your day. And know that you can always come back to this meditation. The more regularly you practice, the more you will feel and experience the benefits and positive effects of meditation in your life, such as better concentration, better decision making, improved control of emotions. And keep in mind that there is no perfect way to meditate. As one of my meditation teachers in India told me, the only way not to succeed is not to meditate. Thank you so much for your presence today and for having practiced with me. I am Berenice, and if you liked this video, feel free to give a thumb up, to share with your loved ones, and perhaps to subscribe to this channel. Take great care of yourself. See you soon in another video. Namaste.